Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi RGB LED controller. As you see, it's the Magic Home, the provider of it. So first of all, you have to turn on the power to the device. As you see, it's working. And if you want to reset because there is something a problem, or you want to pair one more time with your app, you need to take the DC here option and reconnect 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. As you see, now the device is reset and ready to pair with the application Magic Home. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!